I'm going to take a wild guess to say that you are watching this video because your washing machine has a nasty smell, right? Right. It might come from here, or here, or here. I'm Max from LifeHackerMax, and in this video I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how you can properly clean and deodorize your washing machine, as well as some maintenance tips that you can apply in your washing routine to keep your washer clean and free of smell for a long time. I did this 3 months ago, and my washing machine smells like nothing ever since. So what I'm about to show you has been time tested, and it worked out great for me. And if it worked out for me, it will work for you as well. So let's get to it. First thing you need to do is to stay safe, so always unplug the washing machine while you do the cleaning. Every machine has a filter somewhere in the lower part. Mine is right here. There will be some water coming out, so I will use a small tray to gather anything that comes out of there. To get to the filter, I use a flat screwdriver. Before I open up the filter, I take out this hose and drain the leftover water inside the machine. After that, I rotate the filter anti-clockwise and take it out. And this is how it looks. There is some gunk here that needs cleaning. Ooh, a coin! I give the filter a good cleaning with some liquid soap and water, and then I dry it with a microfiber towel. I'm also cleaning the inside of the filter to make sure there is nothing left in there. I like to use a window cleaning solution as it doesn't require any rinsing afterwards. After everything is cleaned and dried, I put all the parts back together. Next step, cleaning the dispenser tray. I take the tray out by pressing the push tab that locks it in place, and looking on the inside is what it appears to be some mold residue. The tray looks pretty clean at the first glimpse, but when I take it apart, I find some more mold and dirt. For this part I am using some anti-mold solution specially designed to neutralize the mold. It takes a few sprays and between 5 to 10 minutes to take effect. And as you can see, most of the mold just disappears. I still have to give it a good scrub though, and rinse the solution. For this I am using an elbow brush and my trusted window cleaning solution. And to make sure I get as much dirt out from the tough to reach places, I use the shower head. I know it's unconventional, but the water pressure should help some more. And while I'm at it, I also give the tumbler door, the faceplate and buttons a soft clean and dry with the microfiber towel. Now I'm making sure the tray gets a good scrub, and I'm trying not to leave any mold and dirt anywhere. While washing, I discovered I can also easily remove the front plate from the tray. Mine has two clips underneath that lock it in place. That is great because I found a bit of mold between the parts. I clean, rinse and leave the parts out to dry for a while before putting everything back together. And this is how it all looks after the cleaning. Huge difference, right? But wait, there's more. Look at this. For this step, you simply pull on the rubber gasket gradually and clean all around. Rinse and dry the interior and exterior of the gasket and you are all set. Sadly, this was the best I could do. This part inside the rubber gasket needs to be regularly cleaned if you don't want to end up with a stained gasket like mine. We will talk about regular habits in a bit, but right now step 4. Clean your gasket some more. Ooh, it rhymes.
I washed everything and let everything dry. And now we have to start the first wash cycle. But check this out.
I made this section of the video as a separate step because it is the most tricky step of them all.
There's more stuff to clean in here.
And I wouldn't recommend doing this step as often as the others. Mainly because it is pretty difficult to take out the rubber gasket and put it back.
Okay, check this out.
And in time you could damage it.
I guess we have a little bit more to clean.
All things considered, I'm thinking maybe once a year or so. This is a tight space, so if you really want to do a great job here, you can consider using a toothbrush as well. And this is what I took out from there. Totally worth the hassle. Putting it back was a bit trickier, but I got some nasty stuff out of there, so it had to be done. Now we can finally relax and let the machine do the work for the final steps. In order to get to the unreachable areas inside the washing machine, I will do 2 empty long washing cycles on the hottest temperature. For the first cycle I'm using some sodium bicarbonate, and for the second cycle I am pouring in some white vinegar. I bought the sodium bicarbonate from the grocery store and I will use 250 grams. So, a total of 5 packs that I will pour straight in the tumbler. You can also try doing one cycle using both components or use the specially designed cleaning tablets. There are different opinions about how you should approach this step, but I chose to use the sodium bicarbonate and vinegar in two separate cycles, as the theory says that if they are both used at the same time, they will cancel each other out and they won't be as efficient. And I'm here to share what worked for me. So here we go. Close the door, set for the longest cycle on the hottest temperature, which should be 90 degrees, and start. While we wait for the first cycle to be done, don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos in the future. And if you want to support me to be able to make more content, you can become a member of my Patreon community by clicking the link in the description. For the second cycle, I will pour 500 ml of regular white vinegar in the conditioner slot as well as the detergent slot and start the cycle on the same settings. My washing machine had a specific smell for a few days after I did the cleaning process, but the smell went away after that and it's been gone ever since. So don't worry if you feel a certain smell right away, as it might be from the cleaning products. The smell should disappear after a few days, and if you want to keep your washing machine smell-free for a long time, then you should adopt a few habits in your washing routine. Step 1. Leave the door open after you wash your clothes. Step 2. Leave your dispenser tray open, or better yet, take it out altogether. Leaving those open will promote airflow inside the machine and will keep everything moisture free. And step 3. Always clean and dry the inside and outside of the rubber gasket after you are done washing for the day. I'm Max from LifeHackerMax, and now you know how to properly clean, deodorize and maintain your washing machine. If this video helped you get rid of that nasty smell, hit that like button, share it with a friend and take some time to leave a comment to let us know how it went for you. Thank you for watching.